Okay, today I've got a project I've been working on for quite some time. This is a 1979 KZ1000 LTD. What we started with was it was just torn apart. Someone had it, didn't take care of it. Too bad, because the bike's only got 17,000 original miles. The exhaust was missing, the front forks were gone, the rear cowling was gone. All we had was a seat and a gas tank. So, and the tank is in pretty good shape, except it's got one small ding right up in here. I mean, we had to replace everything. So we got the forks, rebuilt all that. I was lucky enough to go ahead and find the rear cowling. It goes through with the fender. Too bad it's painted black, it should be chrome. The rear lights were missing, the front blinkers were missing also, the headlight. Could not find the ears, so I found an aftermarket kit that would hold the original headlight. Upgraded the brakes, put a different fender on it, more cool looking. Really cool is the Mac 1978 exhaust system I found in a warehouse. That is an original 2-in-1, both sides slash cut, and just put those on today, and that's why I'm making the video. Oh yeah, also was missing was the chain guard and the rear shocks. So we've put new tires on it also. Alright, gonna take it for a ride, let you hear what it sounds like, and hope everybody likes the video. Alright, here you go. Sounds pretty good. I think it sounds pretty impressive for a set of exhaust pipes that were manufactured back in the 70s. I've never heard of them. I've had Mac on bikes before, but those are pretty cool. It's pretty loud. Sounds to me like I still got a little bit of adjustment work to do on the carburetors to kind of, or maybe I'm almost out of fuel. Alright. Thank you. If you like the video, go ahead and vote on it. And if you have questions, send them to me. And check out my other videos. Have a good weekend.